Today,
Alright guys, I just got back home now. Okay, so I came all the way from my school and traveled down back to my village. Okay, so currently I'm in my village and that's it. Okay, it feels good to be at home again. Being in school, studying, facing stress and all that. It hasn't been easy. Okay, so right now I just need to cool down, just kind of take some rest and probably see what the market has for us recently. Okay, because that's just it. What's good, guys? So, as you can see, I'm having a rough day yet. So, I just woke up from sleep now. Okay, I just woke up from sleep and I'm a bit tired, something like that. Uh, being at home, I'm just enjoying the environment because it has been a very long time. I went back home. Okay, so basically enjoying my sleep, my rest time, like basically, I'm just enjoying my village, okay? Just enjoying my village. Everywhere is very calm, interesting, the view and all that. So, and that's it. That's just it, okay? So, guys, this is a new channel, okay? If you know you watch my video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? Do me a favor and what hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 1k subscribers. You feel me? You can do it though. Get the point. You can do it, trust me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button because trust me man, it's not good. You're watching my videos, you enjoy my video and you don't want to subscribe. Why now? Why? Bro, hit the subscribe button. Get the point. Let's get to 1k sub. So I just have to kind of uh, freshen up, thereby brush my teeth and take my bath. So that's it. Being at home, I don't really stress myself. Oh. I don't really stress myself because most of the things have been handled already. Okay, so catch you. But now, before I go and freshen up, I just need to check the chart real quick to just see what the chart is giving us, right? So let me just quickly analyze the chart and see if probably we might get a trade opportunity. Okay, so today is Saturday. Okay, today is Saturday, and you know that markets will be very, very sluggish. I mean, there will be no liquidity. Okay, so the move in the market will be very, very slow and sluggish. So we don't really like I don't really expect much move from the market this weekend. So when I'll be expecting to trade more is from next week being Monday and and so on. So, but for now, let me just check what the charts is showing is showing me. Okay, for me to just know my directional bias of next week. So let's analyze together, guys.
so guys, this is BTC charts and this is the 3 hours time frame. Okay, so in here we can see that price is clearly bullish. Okay, so we can see the price is bullish. Now, I just want to find uh some trade ideas. Okay, I just want to understand my directional bias in order to expect next area to continue the buy. So in here we can see that BTC is pretty much bullish, okay, giving us this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then a higher high. So basically we expect a higher lows here, then to get another higher highs. So this is just based off historical price action. So now this right here is what? This right here is our liquidity. This right here is our liquidity. So after our liquidity, our point of interest is the one closest to the liquidity. Firstly, you identify the trend or the directional bias, and secondly, you identify your liquidity area. Thirdly, you now pick your point of interest. So that's it. And here is what the area will be buying from here. So you expect price to come take out, let's come take out this liquidity, mitigate this period, then we buy. So this is just my expectation on what on BTC. Okay, this is just my expectation on BTC. So guys, that will be all for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, go to like and subscribe.
So guys, if you're tired of trading your small personal account, I mean, if you're tired of depositing your small $10, $30, $40, and you want to trade with a reliable profit, and also not just a profit, a reliable profit, and also a brokerage uh, firm. So all you have to do is go to the description of this video, click the link under TENTRADE. Okay, go and buy an instant account under TENTRADE. TENTRADE is a well-regulated broker. Okay, not only a broker, they are also a pro firm. That means you can deposit money in TENTRADE and trade your personal normal way of trading, and also you can go and buy an account from them. And if you are buying, make sure you are buying an instant account. Don't go for challenge accounts. So guys, we are here to make money. We are not here to be wasting time on challenges. Okay, so all you need to do is to just click the, click the link in the description below, and under TENTRADE, click the link, then go and purchase an instant funded account. I repeat, instant funded account. Don't buy for challenges. Okay, don't get challenge account. Reason being that for me, I don't have the chance or the time to be wasting my setup on challenge account. So just go straight and get an instant funded account so you can trade, and any profit you making, you make your withdrawal ASAP. And the good thing about this thing is that they don't have shit rules. They don't even have rules. Once you get that instant account, it's just as if you're trading your personal funded account. Okay, trust me, guys. It's just as if you're trading your personal funded account. So why do it? Click the link and get an account. Peace out, guys.